Are you tired of being controlled or emotionally trapped by manipulative people? In this video, you'll learn how to recognize manipulation, protect your peace, and take back your power. Stay till the end, because once you understand these techniques, no manipulator will ever control you again. Manipulation happens when someone uses lies, guilt, or emotional pressure to control your actions or decisions. They twist reality to make you feel guilty or confused, just so you'll do what they want. Manipulators can be friends, coworkers, or even family members, but their goal is always the same: control. Here are clear warning signs that someone is manipulating you. They make you doubt yourself or your memory. They use guilt to make you obey them. They play the victim to get sympathy. They never take responsibility for their actions. They twist your words and make you feel like the problem. If you recognize these signs, don't ignore them. It's time to take back your mental power. Step 1. Stay calm and aware. Manipulators feed on emotional reactions. The calmer you stay, the weaker their power becomes. Step 2. Set clear boundaries. Say no firmly when you need to. You don't owe anyone endless explanations. A manipulator loses control when you stop trying to please them. Step 3. Use the gray rock method. Respond with short, neutral answers. Don't show emotion or give extra information. They'll get bored when they can't control your emotions. Step 4. Trust your gut. If something feels wrong, it usually is. It's time to stop ignoring your intuition just to keep the peace. Real peace begins when you stop tolerating manipulation. Step 5. Distance yourself. You don't have to cut everyone off instantly, but just reduce your exposure to toxic people. Protecting your mental health isn't selfish, it's self-respect. So, after dealing with manipulation, you might feel drained or confused. That's totally normal. Start focusing on your self-worth again. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift you, not drain you. And remember, confidence is your shield. The stronger it gets, the harder it is for anyone to manipulate you. Manipulators only have power when you give it to them. So from today, set your boundaries, protect your peace, and walk away from control. Because honestly, real strength isn't about fighting manipulation. It's about mastering yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more life-changing psychology content, and share it to help someone who needs it.